Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to remove the lock from the OneDrive Personal Vault app, a secure feature that sometimes ends up getting in the way if you don't need that extra layer of protection. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll not only have your vault unlocked, but you'll also know how to turn it off for good so you never have to fuss with it again. If you've been frustrated by that lock icon or just want a smoother OneDrive experience, you're in the right place. Let's get started right away with unlocking the Personal Vault. Now, the Personal Vault is like a little safe inside your OneDrive where you can keep extremely private files. For extra security, Microsoft designed it to automatically lock itself after a while, even if you're still signed in. If you're finding it locked, here's the simplest way to get back in. Open your OneDrive app or go directly into the Personal Vault folder. The app will immediately prompt you to verify who you are, and this is a good thing, especially for sensitive files. You might need to type in your PIN, use a fingerprint facial recognition, or enter a code that gets sent to your email or phone number. Just follow whichever method you set up when you first created your vault. If you're worried you'll mess this up, don't panic. The process is exactly like unlocking your phone or logging into an account. Pause here for a moment and go through the prompts. Once you're verified, your Personal Vault will open up again, letting you access, edit, or move your files just like any other folder. But maybe you don't want the Personal Vault popping up anymore, or perhaps you only set it up out of curiosity and realized you don't actually need it. Good news, you can disable it permanently. Here, what you do step by step, and I'll walk you through with a few gentle reminders about what's most important here so you don't lose anything by accident. First, open your web browser and go to OneDrive.com. Sign in with your Microsoft account using the same login info connected to your OneDrive app. Once you're in, look for the Settings gear icon, usually in the top right of the screen. Give that a click, then choose Options from the drop-down menu. From here, find and click on Personal Vault. Now you'll see an option to disable Personal Vault altogether. Before you make this big change, there's an important warning. Disabling the Personal Vault will permanently delete all the files still inside it. That can't be undone, so take a little extra time here, open up the vault, move any files you want to keep into a regular OneDrive folder, and double-check that nothing important gets left behind. Think of this like clearing out a safe before getting rid of it for good. Once you're sure you've got everything you need, go ahead and select Disable Personal Vault. Confirm your choice when the system asks you, and just like that, the vault will be gone, and you won't get locked out unexpectedly anymore. Alright, that's all there is to it. Whether you just wanted to unlock it temporarily, or you've disabled Personal Vault so you never have to hassle with it again, you now have full control over your OneDrive folders. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or ran into trouble along the way. I always read your messages and am happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.